Welcome to the video, Top 50 Traffic Collisions on the Road. In this video, we will take a look at tense and shocking moments of road accidents, from unexpected crashes to those situations that make you laugh or cry. Remember, road safety is always the top priority, so let's watch and learn some valuable lessons to improve awareness when participating in traffic. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel to not miss any exciting upcoming videos. Collisions often occur at four-way intersections. In your opinion, who is at fault in these situations? Leave a comment below so we can discuss different perspectives on safe driving.
Flip out on them. Dude, this is a $150,000 car.
Bro, you just hit my car.
Did he?
It is still unclear why the container truck stopped on the railway tracks, leading to a severe collision with the train. Fortunately, the accident did not result in any casualties. However, the incident has raised significant concerns about traffic safety and requires a thorough investigation to determine the cause. The driver lost control on the highway and crashed into a nearby barrier. Fortunately, there were no casualties, but the incident caused serious traffic congestion in the area for a short time. This serves as an important reminder to stay alert and maintain control of your speed when driving on the highway. The driver was likely speeding, resulting in an inability to react in time, leading to a collision with a vehicle crossing the road. The crash caused significant damage to both vehicles, but fortunately, there were no casualties. This incident once again emphasizes the importance of adhering to speed limits and staying alert while driving, especially at intersections or on roads where unexpected situations may arise.
Holy
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our videos. Click the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as we release new content. Your support is our greatest motivation to continue creating engaging and valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your time with us.
Feast of blood. Blood. Spell drain. Blood. Base cost moderate mana.
Harvestella. Sometimes you see a game and you're like, oh god, they spent too much money on this. There's no way this makes this money back. They went over budget. And also sometimes you can do this. They didn't give them bonus. Their ambitions were too high for the Harvestella is Baby Bear's challenge. Square Enix seemingly spent the perfect amount of budget on this farming, crafting market. And I hope you have an understanding of what money is.
That's what. Oh my God! Oh my God!
The pickup truck driver was in a hurry, leading to incomplete awareness of the surroundings and no control over the situation. As a result, the front of the sedan was seriously damaged. The female sedan driver got out of the car and was extremely surprised by the incident.
Oh my god, you gonna run the light. Oh, did. Oh my god, what's wrong with you?
Thankfully, it was a fire that was quickly extinguished thanks to the swift and courageous response of the Atlanta Fire Department. And once the area was secure, investigators from a number of different began.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
The fact that the drivers fled not only increased the severity of the incident, but also complicated the investigation into the exact cause of the accident.
truck is going way too fast. We'll get it.
Thank you for watching the entire video. We're delighted to share engaging and valuable content with you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss our latest uploads. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as we release new content. Follow our channel to stay updated with exciting videos and useful information in the future. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our next videos.